let's go through the Azani ISP management system milestone 1 part 4, sorry. So the costs and benefit analysis. The costs of implementing and running the automated system of service clearly summarized in the following table. So the system has a very large lifespan of about 10 years. So the first is the system development, which costs to 50,000 Kenyan shillings. The second one is the annual running and maintenance costs, that is 50,000 Kenyan shillings. And lastly, annual additional upgrades and others, that is 75,000 Kenyan shillings. So the total costs that will be possibly incurred in the total lifespan are 1.5 million, that is 1,500,000 Kenyan shillings. There will be benefits of savings from paperless virtual recognition forms, which will encounter to 30,000 Kenyan shillings annually. So the next part is the feasibility study. So we have 4 types of feasibility. There is schedule feasibility, technical feasibility, operational feasibility, and economic feasibility. So this study was carefully carried out to ascertain that the new proposed system will have a lot more benefits than the previous manual system. So obviously there will be a benefit of the automated system rather than the manual system. The study was carried out according to all aspects needed to have a clear statement of the proposed system. So the first feasibility, that is the schedule feasibility. So the new system had a lot of disadvantages that needed a quick changeover strategy. The following schedule was carefully planned to come up with the system in time. So the problem recognition and definition part should take a duration of 1 month. The system analysis, same, that is 1 month. The system design and construction, 3 months. The implementation and testing, 1 month. System review and maintenance, 1 month. So the total duration should be 7 months. The next feasibility, that is the technical feasibility. So although the company has a few computers and computer literate staff, there is a need to upgrade the current infrastructure and capacity to use and support the new system. That is the technical feasibility. Let's proceed to the operational feasibility. So the new system is likely to change the company's environment because some employees are required to be trained on the new system so as to run it smoothly. The organization noted down that the system should be a user-friendly interface to both the computer literate and the computer illiterate. The last feasibility, that is the economic feasibility. So the cost estimation, and we have the benefit estimation. So the cost estimation, the cost of the development and implementation of the proposed system is estimated as follows. So we have the development cost at 250,000 Kenyan shillings. We have the maintenance cost at 50,000 Kenyan shillings. We have the stationary materials, that is 10,000 Kenyan shillings. We have the rim papers for forms which will be needed, that is 15,000 Kenyan shillings. So the total amount of the cost estimation is 325,000 Kenyan shillings. So that is the table for the computerized systems economic feasibility. Let's go to the benefit estimation. So the benefit estimation, amount due to error reduction is 50,000 Kenyan shillings. So the benefit is estimated to 50,000 Kenyan shillings total. Yeah, so that's it for part 4. The next part will be going through the fact-finding methods that were used, which includes the surveys, interviews, and all that. So if you'd like to get your own copy of the Azani ISP management system, you can contact me right there. That is my number. You can call or text on WhatsApp 011 45 32 618 011 45 32 618. Have a great day, and let's meet in the next part.